How do you delete airdrop files on the iPhone? Let me show you what you can do about it. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you're not going to miss anything important in the future. For example, it depends on what kind of file it is, because if you share like photos and videos over airdrop, these will show up in the Photos app, right? So you'll be able to go there, check out the pictures which have been shared, and yeah, you can just hold down on it and delete it, or just tap on the select button, select multiple, and then delete them, right? So that's kind of how it works. You know, if they are organized within the photos, it's likely going to be part of the recent. So make sure that you sort your pictures by recently added and not by date capture, because that might confuse you a little bit. But yeah, that's how you can find airdropped photos and videos. For specific files and documents like PDFs and Word and all of that kind of stuff, this will automatically put it in the Files app, right? So it's not technically a media, right? And therefore it will put it there, right? So it's going to put it into the Files application. So you can go there and check out the downloads folder most likely, and you'll be able to perhaps sort it by the recently added, and those will be, you know, at the top. So perhaps the airdrop files will be accessible right there. And if there are like some app specific files as well, for example, like a GarageBand project, well, that will of course open it through that application right away. So you don't go to the Files app and you'll be able to find it in there. So if you want to delete that, then you have to delete it as a project within that application. So, you know, it depends, as I said, on the file type and the exact thing that you are sharing. But yeah, hopefully I managed to explain it somehow good. Let me know what you think below. Subscribe for upcoming tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you in the next videos as well.